Hey everybody, this is Joe. Thank you for watching my Giga-Texas construction update video. For today's video, we got a very early start while it was still dawn outside, and the building was lit up from the inside. So I took the opportunity to take a look through the windows and see some of the progress going on the inside, to include some of the furniture and other materials and equipment that's being set up. We start off on the General Assembly building on the west side, taking a look in through the windows, and you can see quite a bit of furniture, tables, other equipment that's being installed in the second floor, some on the third floor, and then some other areas preparation of the structure for more rooms and so forth. The one main area you see in the bottom left-hand corner photo may be a cafeteria, but it's hard to tell for sure. Moving up to the battery cell area, we take a look in through the ground floor. We see in the upper left-hand corner photo more of the loading docks and also water management piping. The right-hand corner photo, the roof area, they're doing the preparation for the cooling tower top inlets and vents. And the bottom left, we can look in through some of the bays, and that may be battery processing tables and equipment that we see. Going down to the south end, we take a look at the road work under the south bridge. We see some curbs, more painting, and more of the paving. On the right-hand corner photo, we see more of the earthwork to the south of the water detention ponds, and the left-hand corner photo sees more of those water pipes underneath the paved and concreted road structure. Going back up to the north, we fly into the alleyway area to take a close look at the steelwork and the bridge crane railings that are being installed. And then as you see, the space frames at the north end of the paint shop are being both painted now with white, and looks like they're getting to final preparation, and soon we'll see where they're installed. Over at the casting machine structure, we see roof work. We see the castings the number has decreased. Looking in that area between the paint shop and the casting area, we see beams and columns being installed to bridge that gap, and then we look down in and see the slab work and the Giga-Press number 4 foundation. Down in the central area, we see that the roof decking for the steel structure is completed. They now have 2 of the very deep pier drilling machines that will be in operation in that pit. We see more work around the pit area with plumbing and so forth. And then we take a look at the south and see that the excavation pit is continuing to grow to the south towards that south perimeter grade beam. Going over to the east side of the body in white structure at the south end near the stamping area, we see that the wall panels continue to be installed to finish that one area. The rest of the wall panels are completed. You can see in the right-hand corner photo, they're doing more of that to work on the underground gas and utility pipes. And then in the bottom left-hand corner, we see more trenching, probably for stormwater management pipes. Further to the east, we take a look at the battery cathode foundation area, and you can see that a lot of it is being cleared out and off so that work can continue, and they're also doing some more earthwork. I did talk to a contact today, and he's pretty convinced that they will be starting construction there pretty soon. We also see more of those space frames being created, a third one now, and more materials that is being arranged. So I hope this brief tour of the areas that we'll see and the early morning looking inside you found helpful and informative. And just me poking fun a little bit at Blue Origin, just remember everything is immensely complex and high risk. Before we begin, I would like to say thank you to my patrons for your generous support. Patreon members get access to high-resolution photos, previews, and direct dialogue with me. If you would like to support my channel, please consider becoming a patron using this link, which is also in the video description. Please also consider subscribing and hitting the like button. Thanks. My drones are ready and raring to go. Let's go flying over Giga-Texas.